There's nothing in this world that can't be made better with robots, and that includes bread. Behind me is Breadbot from the Wilkinson Baking Company, and obviously, this is not going to fit in your kitchen. This is not meant for consumers. It's being pitched to supermarkets and the like, where maybe it's not that easy to get a freshly baked loaf of bread all the time without having to wander down to your local baker and having perfect timing. This guy spits out a fresh loaf of bread every 6 minutes. The whole process is automated, from dropping the ingredients into a mixer to actually mixing, molding, and proofing and baking the loaves and eventually dispensing them. You can see behind me there is this lovely vending machine, basically, where a customer can walk up, select the loaf they want, find out when it was baked, how old it is, the temperature, the height, all sorts of information. If you're a stat nerd, you've ever wanted to know about your bread, this is probably the perfect machine for you. Unfortunately, I can't tell you where you'll be able to test it out just yet. While the company does have plans in the works with a couple of retailers, they aren't quite ready to announce who they are yet. For all the latest from CES 2019, including the greatest revolutions in bread since the sliced loaf, stay tuned to Engadget.com.